Hello and welcome back to SearchEV guys. If at all you're looking for a budget-friendly and a non-fancy and a less complicated bike which is suitable perfectly for the cities and off the roads, guys, wait and watch. Here you have the all-new Zeno Emara. So to start off from talking about the front look of the bike, it comes with a D-LED headlamp which is sharp, crisp and hard to miss. You have got two indicators over here and it comes with a 19-inch front alloy wheels and a monoshock rear suspension along with the 17-inch rear tires, which seems to have amazing road grip and can ride off on any road conditions or terrains. Now from the side as well, this bike looks pretty impressive. Although the build quality isn't right up there to the mark, for something like a city commuter, we think it would definitely do well. It has got 190 mm of ground clearance, which we feel is enough to clear any potholes or speed breakers. It also has gradability of 30 degrees, which simply means that it can climb up a slope of up to 30 degrees. When we have to talk about the seat, it has got a really long bench and a very comfortable seat which can carry up to 2 passengers easily, guys. To be honest, this kind of a seating directly reminds us of the seating of the old RV1 Plus. Now, talking about the drive and the braking, it comes with a chain drive and not a belt drive system. And although it doesn't have an ABS feature, you do not have to worry, guys. It comes with a combined braking system which you call it as the CBS. At the rear, you've got a taillight and a footrest as well, and there's nothing to be more of. Here, you've got the motor coming with a 4 kW power but gives you a peak power output of 8 kW, henceforth giving you a torque up to 330 Nm, which is decent enough for a city commuter. The digital cluster has been pretty much impressive, not making it too complicated or pitching in way too many features into the cluster. It comes with a 6.3 digital display which shows speed, range, battery levels and as well as your ride modes. It comes with 3 riding modes, Eco, Normal and Sport, which is also denoted as 1, 2 and 3 in the handlebar. Another highlight of this bike is definitely the reverse mode, which has also been provided here. Now, talking about the range and performance of this Gadi, it comes with a claimed range of 100 km in a single charge in normal mode, but drops down to 75 to 80 in sports mode. It can hit a top speed of up to 95 km per hour in sports mode, 65 to 70 km per hour in normal mode, and 40 km per hour in eco mode. Talking about the battery, it comes with the 2 swappable batteries of 2 kWh each and combined power up to 4 kW, which is also very easy to remove and swappable as well. These batteries charges from 0 to 80% in 1 hour and a full charge in 1.5 hours with a fast charger. They have also introduced the BAS, which is also called as a battery as a service. The prepaid plans for the BAS goes like Rs 1500 per month for a 48 kWh of energy, which is almost about 40 kilometers per day, which falls under the basic plan. While the advanced plan is like Rs 2500 per month for 120 kWh of energy, which is also almost about 100 kilometers per day. While the postpaid plan goes like pay as you go at Rs 52 per kWh energy consumed across the Zeno's energy network. The bike is set to be launched at a price of 64,000, but hold on guys, there's a catch for this. This excludes the battery price. Including the 2 battery price, it comes up to a price of about 1,19,000. The company is offering a discount of up to 19,000 as an introductory offer for the first 5,000 orders. Similarly, the motorcycle can also be bought under the BAS subscription for Rs 79,000 and the company is offering a discount of up to 15,000 for the first 5,000 orders. So this was it about the all-new Zeno Emara, one of the most budget-friendly bike and I should say one of the most comfortable bike both on and off the roads. It's definitely a promising one with a lot of tech features packed in it. For more features and for more updates on EVs, do not forget to follow SearchEV guys. See you soon.